Hey Glow Tarts, so we have had another spoiler released, and this is going to be for the Ipsy June GlamBag Plus box. Now, you know I've already showed you the first spoiler that was released a couple of days ago. It was the Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream, and this is valued at $65. And it already looked like the box is off to a great start. So now we've got another spoiler for that box. It is the Jolie Cosmetics Luxe Cream Matte Lipstick, and this is in a trio. You are going to be getting 3 different shades. It is Scuro, Lila, and Amore. And Scuro looks like a very deep purple color. I never wear purple, but you know, it looks good on some. And then you'll have Lila, which is a light purple shade, kind of like a violet, which is a very beautiful color. I like a little bit of violet in my nude shades. And then you have the shade Amore, and it just looks like a true red to me. And I just love to know how these formulas are, if they're really as creamy as what it shows. Now, the trio, I believe, is worth $45. Or the lipsticks themselves are worth $18 a piece, except for Amore. Amore is worth $20. I'm pretty sure that is one that they sell out of a lot. You know, everybody's looking for the perfect red, so a lot of those sell out. So these are the 2 spoilers for the Ipsy June GlamBag Plus box, and as soon as they release more, I will update you guys. I will keep y'all updated on this. Hopefully we'll be seeing some Ipsy June spoilers for the regular box hopefully soon. And as always, guys, Ipsy is going to be linked below. Make sure you rate the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down, and make sure you hit your notification bell. That way you know every time I upload a video. And always make sure you subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.